Me not tell a lie, right now me I look my ticket for go back a yard. Because the dinner ya, trust me. Look how the fish look nice with the pepper on top. Here one now. Me have my Scotch bonnet pepper. Me have my onion. Me have my sweet pepper or bell pepper you wanna call it in the pot. Ready to fry up and make gravy for the fish. That fish I come from Jamaica, border to be precise. Whenever me go to Jamaica, you know, me office, me put the Scotch bonnet pepper in the pot, scallion, thyme, ready to go in. Then I go cut up fine still. You understand? Drop the thyme in there, cut up the scallion and put it in the pot, all ready to saute down. Put a little bit of tin tomato in there. If you don't have no tomato, you would use the tin one. That is just as good. Stir it up. With a little bit of oil. I use the rapeseed oil for a little bit of color. And you can also use your vegetable oil. So, listen, the DW pepper sauce is a must. Can't have my meal cooked without this. You're mad? Let's look at that sizzle. Look there, fry that up nicely. Ready. Oh God, look there, look on the onion in the corner there. So, but yeah man, when we got butter, see, put little water, stir it to make the gravy. So you make it boil down a little bit. The color is awesome though, and it smells good, and it's gonna taste really divine. Here what happened now. When we got butter, me and my friend Sally, we got I buy all 3 pack of the fish, so we get all our 18, 20 fish. I carry it up, put it in my freezer, and when we're ready, I took out one at a time. You understand? So that I sizzle down now. See there, stir to make sure you know the gravy boil down to perfection. Yes. All them fish I love me. No buy fish in England, you know. Look there, look on the fish. Nice snapper, well fried, not over seasoned. Drop him in the pot. Yes, head and tail. Oh, what do you? Look at him look good. So I mean I want it to boil too much because you don't want it too soft. I want it to just al dente. You understand? Because flavor in the fish already. Turn him over, make the gravy catch him. Yes. Look at that. Yeah man, bother St. Elizabeth. When you go there, so just buy a fish, you know, cool it off, wrap it up, and bring it up with you. I may have fish last me anytime I feel like a slice of fish or you know a fish meal. We just go in the freezer and take out a fish. See it this is on the final home straight you know. Look there. The sizzle. My God, the fish look good eh? My God, the whole smell nice. Look there man. The garlic, the all of that flavor running at the fish. So yeah, we're gonna serve this up with a little bit of rice and peas, plantain and thing. Enjoy this really succulent snapper fried fish from Jamaica.